Good morning, everyone. Dear student, today we continue our chapter number 5, Working of Institution. And in today's lecture, we also discuss about Prime Minister and Council of Minister. Dear student, in last lecture, we also discuss about political executive. Two types of executive in our country, political executive and permanent executive. In political executive, presently we elect our representative, our minister, leaders. They are considered as per political leaders. And one of another lobby is the permanent executive, IAS, IPS, IFS, these are the permanent executive. So today we continue our chapter with Prime Minister and Council of Minister. Prime Minister is the most important political institution in the country. We also aware about in our country, no direct election to the post of Prime Minister. First we elect our member of Lok Sabha. Then elected majority political parties also select appoint their leaders, and this leader become the prime minister. The president appoint the prime minister, but the president cannot appoint anyone if he and she like. The president appoint the leader of the majority party or the coalition of the party that commanded a majority in the Lok Sabha. This is not depend on president will to appoint any person as the prime minister. Prime minister कौन बनेगा? जिसकी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की मैक्सिमम सीट्स होंगी, उसी पार्टी का जो लीडर है to become the prime minister. But many time we are so aware about no political party get clear cut majority in Lok Sabha. So at this time, president appoint the person most likely to the secure a majority spot. The prime minister does not have to fix tenure. उसका कोई time period fix नहीं होता, but he continue to power so long as the remain the leader of the majority party or coalition. So this is depend on president will. President also, if suppose in any time in our Lok Sabha, any political party not get to be clear-cut majority. So at this time, president also appoint to any person, but president also give to specify time to clear his majority, to prove his majority within given time. If this political party prove his majority, so continue. If they fail to prove his majority in parliament, so government also dissolve. But we also aware about in our country, Prime Minister does not have fixed tenure. Of course, according to the time period 5 years. But many times we also notice Prime Minister and his government also dissolve before completing his time. In 1998, during the time of Atal Bihari Vajpayee government, just to rule only 13 days. Government not to in majority in Lok Sabha. So government also dissolved within 13 days. So Prime Minister tenure is be not fixed. But we also aware about Prime Minister also do work according to majority base. Majority base पे वो काम करते रहेंगे. After the appointment of Prime Minister, the President appoints other minister on the advice of the Prime Minister. Prime Minister also advise to appoint different minister. The minister are usually from the party or the coalition that has to majority in the Lok Sabha. ज्यादातर मिनिस्टर किनसे बनते हैं? जो रूलिंग पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है या उसकी कोalition जो सहयोगी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज है. So Prime Minister also give the name of these ministers to become the minister, and President also appoint. The Prime Minister is free to choose minister as long as they are member of the parliament. So this minister also depend on the will of Prime Minister. If Prime Minister also want to change any minister, so depend on PM will. The Council of Minister is officially named for the bodies that include all the minister. It usually has 60 to 80 minister of the different tasks. Student, in our country, we also aware about near about 60 to 80 minister to run government. And we also noticed many times Prime Minister also appoint a member as the minister of different department. And at this time, this minister not a member of any house. According to provision, according to constitution, Prime Minister also have to right to appoint any person as the minister of any department. But this minister became the member of any house within 6 months. We also aware about in 2014 different ministers in our country. Defense Minister Manohar Parrikar, not a member of any house, and Prime Minister also appoint him as the minister, Defense Minister. He also became the minister within 6 months from Rajya Sabha. Arun Jaitley, Finance Minister, and we also aware about Smriti Irani, Education Minister in 2014, not a member of any house, but he also became the member of Rajya Sabha within 6 months. तो हमारे यहाँ पे इस तरीके से भी मिनिस्टर बना सकते हैं. So near about 60 to 80 minister to control government and run the country. First rank is the cabinet minister. Usually top level leaders of the ruling party who are in charge of the major ministers. Usually the cabinet minister need to take decision in the name of the council of ministers. Cabinet is thus to the inner ring of the council of minister. It composed to be about 20 ministers. First rank in ministry is the cabinet minister. In cabinet minister, top levels, we also aware about after prime minister, home ministry is the most important department in our country. And presently, we also aware about Amit Shah, home minister. After home minister, finance department also, education department also, health department, agriculture, defense. So these are the top department in our country. And this minister also take part during the time of any cabinet meeting. Prime Minister, when PM also want to take any decision, so PM also discuss with their cabinet minister. They also discuss with cabinet minister related their departments also. Many times we also notice presently Prime Minister also conduct meeting and they also want to what happened in their department, what initiate what task completed by this department, what facilities also given to the citizens according their department. Present time we also aware about health ministry give to different views related to the vaccines also against corona. We also aware about health department is very active at present. So health minister also announced time to time related to the is department work. So this is the top leader, top ministers in our country. Always they also sit prime minister and take major decision. Near about 20 minister considered as the cabinet minister. Second level is the ministers of state with independent in charge. These are usually in charge of the small ministry. They participated in cabinet meeting only when the special invited. We also aware about second level. Many times we also aware about at present India is the largest country, and in our country suppose home minister, home department is a very big department. So government also decided to appoint any another minister also to help. So this kind of minister, and also appoint many another state home minister also. So they also take part in cabinet meeting when prime minister also invite him. Third type of minister, minister of state, are we attached to the and required to assess the cabinet minister. This type of minister we also call to be as a deputy minister. So these minister also help to be largest department. And this type of minister not take part in any cabinet meeting. They also do work in different states. So these are the three types of ministry in our country. First, we also discussed cabinet. Second, minister of state with independent charge. Third is the minister of state. And many times we also aware about the cabinet work as a team. Different ministers also sit together and take collective decision. No minister can to be openly criticize any decision of government. Ruling basically related to the ruling party, even if it is the about another minister of department. Of course, this person also belong to the any another department, and this person, this minister, not like the functioning system of the particular one department. इवन दैट वो उसको क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करेगा, लाइक करे या नहीं करे। दिस पर्सन हैव नो राइट टू क्रिटिसाइज गवर्नमेंट function. Every minister has to be secretaries who are the civil servant. The secretaries provide to the necessary background information to the minister to take decision. Student, in last phase we also discuss about executive, permanent executive. So these permanent executive also made to be as a secretaries, and they also give to information to different head departments. They also advise to these ministers also, they do work for the betterment of communities. So this time they make a proper background, and they also give to be every information to concerned department. Next is the power of the prime minister. We are also aware about in our country, prime minister is the head of government, and prime minister also use maximum power. The prime minister is most important political institution we already discussed about. President appoint prime minister. Prime minister have no fixed tenure. He continue power as long as remain the leader of the majority party or coalition. When government also lose its confidence in Lok Sabha, PM also give to resignation and any another leaders also. So Prime Minister use different kind of power. First, he chairs cabinet meeting. During cabinet meeting, he also head of this meeting also. He also called to different department head, different ministers for particular any issues present time in our country. And we also noticed in last year, last 6 months, Prime Minister also organized many time cabinet meeting, and they also take decision against corona virus. And we also aware about during the time of surgical strike, Prime Minister also organized cabinet meeting and also take the decision to surgical strike on Pakistan. So this is possible only in cabinet meeting. So cabinet meeting head is the prime minister. Second, prime minister also coordinate the work of different department. Prime minister also allot different department. Prime minister also organize meeting related to be progress work on their department also. Prime minister also know about the different aspect of their department. So prime minister also coordinate to be different department. हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट कैसे काम करेगा प्रेजेंट टाइम, फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट किस तरीके से हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट को सपोर्ट करेगा. सो दीज आर फिक्स्ड बाय द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. एक दूसरे को कोऑपरेट करना. His decisions are final in case disagreements arise to between department. When any conflicts start to be different department, so at this time prime minister also play important role to settle the dispute between this department. उनके बीच में settlement करेगा. He exercise general supervision of different minister. Many time prime minister also supervise ऑफ डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट. वो देखता है कि कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट क्या काम कर रहा है, क्या उसको टास्क दिया गया था, उसने कंप्लीट किया नहीं किया. सो दिस इज आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर टू सुपरवाइज द डिफरेंट मिनिस्टर्स. इफ एनी मिनिस्टर नॉट डू प्रॉपर वर्क, prime minister also change. All minister work under the leadership. So prime minister if take any decision, all minister also follow their guideline. They also implement their decisions. So prime minister is the head of government. Next, prime minister distribute and redistribute work to the minister. So department also distribute according to will of prime minister, according their capability. And anytime if any mishappening related to be any minister, death of any minister, so at this time prime minister also redistribute his department. Many time we also notice कि किसी एक मिनिस्टर से उसकी मिनिस्ट्री लेके redistribute to be any another person. So this is finalized by prime minister. He has to power to dismiss minister, and many time we also notice prime minister also dismiss to any minister from his post. So this is finalized by prime minister. किसी भी minister को उसके पद से हटाना, this work also done by prime minister. When the prime minister quit, entire ministry quit also. This is to the cabinet is the most powerful institution in India. Within the cabinet is the prime minister who is the most powerful. So I am also discuss with you no confidence motion. When government not majority in parliament. So at this time, Prime Minister also quit and different department also give to resignation and government also dissolved. And student, we also aware about many time Prime Minister also use his power. We also aware about Jawaharlal Nehru. Maximum use his power during the time of his prime ministership. Indira Gandhi also this kind of leaders. He also maximum use his power during the time of his prime ministership. And present time we also aware about Sri Narendra Modi also use maximum power at present. He also take the major decisions. He also commitment to be Indian communities. India also to achieve its power in the world, make in India. This kind of program also started by Prime Minister. So this is depend on Prime Minister, depend on personality. This is different personality to personality. We also aware about Sri Manmohan Singh is a soft nature prime minister. Of course, he also made better policies during his time. But at this time, Manmohan Singh also totally controlled by UPA chairperson. But at present, we also aware about the present time is Sri Narendra Modi. Use his maximum power. Nobody control to be presently prime minister. He also take his decision according his will. So this is depend on personality to personality. So remaining part we continue in next lecture.